Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from Google Cloud to computer. All right. To transfer photos from Google Cloud to your computer, just go ahead and go to Takeout or Google Takeout. Okay. By there, you can easily download all of your photos or video from Google Cloud. Okay. Just type in takeout.google.com like so. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Make sure to deselect all. If you want to select all of your Google related media, right here, as you can see, you have Drive, Embark, Fitbit, Gemini, Google Developers, Google Earth. If you want to download it all, well, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, but just go into the very bottom, hit on next step. Now, if you just want to download your photos, well, all you have to do is go ahead over to Google Photos. Okay, I'm gonna find that real quick right here. Google Photos right here. Click on it, go ahead and go to the very bottom, hit on next. Now you can go ahead and transfer it to a link via email or add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or add to Box. In here, as you can see, it's pretty easy. Select export once in the file type right here. File size, select the correct file size. For example, you have a total of 10 gigs of pictures and videos. You can go ahead and click on create export from here. Okay. Once done, go ahead and check your email and there will be a download link. That's basically it. Now, if you want to download one by one, well, all you have to do is just open up a new tab. Now go ahead and go to photos.google.com. Wait for it to load and here you have your photos. If you want to download one, just click on a photo, go to the top, click on three dots and hit on download. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.